Okay. Now today let's talk about rank node. Rank assigns rank to each row. Okay, it can be done in more than one way. There are three types of rank: row number, dense rank, and rank. We'll look at into it. Okay. Now what we'll do is, well, we'll try to write an Excel sheet. You just open an Excel sheet here. Okay, we'll put some random values or we'll create I already created some Excel sheet with my sir. The name is this test desktop. Okay, you can see there is a student ID, subject, and marks. Okay, this is a table we have created. It is from row 3 to row 33, which is 10. Okay, what we have to do is this created, it is a data file. Okay, it is in XLS document. Now go to the HANA Studio. What we'll be doing is we'll be importing that Excel sheet into here. How we can do it is, today we'll look at file, go to the import, and in SAP HANA content data from local file, and select the HTTP HANA training 1, and here go and select your test 1. Okay, yeah, this is the Excel sheet. Okay, now here header row exists. Since we had this Excel sheet, header row is 3. Okay, you need to give it 3. I guess I'm not sure about this. I guess you need to give it 3 here, and you need to tick the import all data. Whatever the data that is present, you are importing into all that. Or else only from which line to which line you need to import it. Okay, now you need to create in which schema do you want to put it. Let us suppose I want to do it in Lavanya or Lavanya underscore 1. I think it's Lavanya underscore 1, and give the table name, whatever the table name that you want to give it. Let us suppose I created a table called test. Let us suppose test. Okay, and I'll delete it later anyway. Next, now after here you need to do the data mappings. Whatever the data that is present in the Excel sheet, it will be mapped into the table. Now it takes this, these are the fields: student ID, subject, marks, and column 1 here there is nothing. Okay, because in Excel sheet, if you clearly see, we left the first column here. That's why it is not taking it. It's better that we put this out here. Let me do this. Okay, let me drag this here. Can we do this? Yeah, just this whole thing, move it. Yes, let's save this. Okay, I'm saving this. Okay, now go to the HANA Studio. Okay, what we'll be doing is we'll go back. Yes. Okay, again you do this, select this test Excel sheet, you are loading it. Header row, keep it as 1 because header row exists. Okay, let's leave this option, import. Let's Lavanya 1. See, we have made this column 1 envar car. Now you can change this. Okay, columnar. What is this? Column 1, column 2. Okay, we will go back and let's see, we'll play with it. I think this column 1 student ID you can see here, but I don't know why I'm not able to see this. Okay, maybe give it a header row exists and give it as 1. Okay, next. Yeah, so by giving 1, we are just getting. Now just change this to, and student ID is decimal, change this to integer. I think, let me see, what did I have changed? Yeah, change it to data type. Marks is integer. You can change the data type here. It will take something default, but if you want, okay, now you just click finish. This is a job block, okay? I just minimize it, or just minimize it. Now let's go to the schema. So we created a table using load file, is it not? Go to Lavanya. Where is Lavanya? Yeah, Lavanya 1. So go to the tables. See, we created a table called test. Just open it. Wow. What we can do is, let's look at the data preview. Open data preview. Oh, we can see these things finally. So last time we couldn't do it data preview, but now we are able to do it. Some error, I just got it. Okay, now we are able to do it. This is called flat file upload. Okay, and coming here, you can see the properties, or you can see the runtime information. See here, the size of the disk is 48 KB. It took number of entries is 30, which is number of records is 30. Now this is the thing, okay? Now we'll create a new view. Just close whatever that you don't want it. Now this is I created a calculation view which is called CV rank. Okay, what I have done is, basically I've dragged a projection and just used a table, VBAK table. Okay, this is something which I applied filter, but just ignore this. Okay. Just ignore this filter as of now. I just only selected VBELN, VB type, NETWR and Kunnar. Here you can see this Kunnar. So just ignore this because ERDTA I used it later. Okay, now what I have done is, after selecting the required columns, okay, now basically what rank is, we are assigning the highest number. Here we are going by partitioning and ordering, right? Example, after doing this, you need to drag a rank between the aggregation and here. So when you drag here aggregation, you need to basically select what are the columns that you want to see in the output. You select all the columns. Now basically based on the net value, okay, we are going to give the ranks based on this for this. Okay, order by this, partition by this. Okay, so here we have a rank node tape. You can select descending, that is highest number first, or ascending, and then you need to have threshold value. Here 5 means maximum 5 ranks will be given, 1 2 3 4 5. If you give 2, then it will take 1 2. If you give 3, 1 2 3. Okay, and we are going to order by Kunnar. That is, let us suppose you have subject marks, right? Okay, let's do the ranking. Okay, we'll use a ranking itself using this test table. Let me do this, create a view. Just a moment, my mom is calling. Sorry guys, sorry, my mom disturbed me. Now I am going to create a new view in Lavanya. Okay, new calculation view. Now CV rank, we will create a new trial or test, because we have created a test, right? So CV rank test, graphical cube, everything is finished. Okay, now we are creating here. We are basically dragging the projection here, and we are adding a Lavanya, or what you can do is, the best way is, since we already knew it, we can even drag it instead of every time adding it from there. If you want to search something, you can use it there, else you can just can go to Lavanya, and here you have this test. Just drag it and put it over here. Wow. Now rename this test 1 or p underscore. It's a good practice to remember, since it has to be in the caps lock, p underscore test. Okay. Woo. Now, wow, now select student id, subject and marks, is it not? Now drag these rank, right? We need to have a rank node. So basically what we'll do is, we'll just drag it and just connect this. Oh, it is added, right? Now we also got a rank node. See, here in this rank node, we'll do the top descending, okay, and then we'll give threshold. Let's look at the Excel sheet. What we have given, we have given the English, Maths and Science. There are couple of the student ID. What is this? Student ID. Okay, now the student ID is 63 to 23. Random value, it just given. Okay, random 63 got also repeated. It has got English, I think. How come is English has got 14? Oh my god, what shall we do here? These values are not correct, because what shall we do here? We put it 1. Or what shall we do is, we will, okay, what will we do is, we will only select the student ID and the marks. We are not dealing with subject, okay, it's becoming a so we are going to order by marks. That is, we are going to take which is the top one. We are, see here, marks, which are the top marks. Now for what partitioning you are doing is, you need to add, or you need to click to add. You are taking the student ID, okay. Now you have given. Now you need to generate rank column, okay. You need to, that means a rank column is being generated. Now just put this and drag it to the aggregation, okay. Now just go here, see, we have another rank, okay, student ID, okay. Now select everything, add all to outputs, okay. Now what we'll be doing is, shall we do aggregation? Why to do even aggregation? Here for each student ID we are, okay, let's activate. Let's see how it's being done, okay. We'll try to do simple things. Finish, do the data preview. What happened? What's the error? User is not authorized, okay. See, yesterday also we got the same problem here. User is not authorized. I don't know why we have gone. Okay, let's get in here. So here also what we will do is, okay, here basically if you take this aggregation, we converted the rank column as the aggregated column. Okay, here aggregation is done on the sum, aggregation is also done. See, we converted both these columns as. What if we remove the aggregation? What will happen? See, net WR is nothing but, see, in the rank node, what we have done is we have given by order by customer. Okay. What is the order by here? Okay. I think some problem is there. I need to check it out. Okay. See, row column has been generated, rank column. Okay, always remember you need to select and do the data preview here. Projection 1 or table data preview. Projection 1 data preview or rank 1. But if you select here now, it will do it on the complete view. So just be careful. So you will be doing a data preview. Let us suppose I did a data preview, or you just save and activate it. Okay. Now just do a data preview. Let's see what will happen. Okay. Let's see. I think. Oh God. Okay. We'll do create another view, new view. Okay, we'll take it out this. Even this is not working, man. We'll create a new view. CV rank test, right? What we'll do is we'll replace the data source. Okay, replace with the data source. I just give you BVBAK basics. Select something basics. Yep. And finish. Yeah. Select VBELN, VBT type and net value and Kunnar. Sold to party. Now after selecting this, why did I got red? Okay, I need to remove. Okay, here I got these three things we have selected before, right? So just drag it here, remove it. Yes. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. Now, yeah, it's gone. Still it is there, right? Save and activate. I don't do save and activate. Let's see. Now in the rank 1, select these columns. No, here the question comes. You don't, if you select VBEL and VB type, the rank gets it gets complicated, it gets destroyed. So don't select these two attributes, because when we selected now, it was not doing the correct ranking. So whatever the columns that we want to see, that is only we have been doing. So basically here see, do this order by I didn't know why order by the customer, partition by column. Yeah. Net WR. Is it not? Now when you do this, and then it generates the rank column, right? It has to generate the rank column. Now the generated columns is the rank column. Let's see. Yeah, we need to see both, right? Now just activate. Lavanya training, finish. So still I'm seeing here, what is the problem? We've deleted, right? Do you want me to? Why it is showing broken? So whatever it is, now do the data preview. Wow, look at the raw. See, I'm not able to see anything here. Why is it so semantics? View properties, cross client. Let it be like this. Okay, activate it. Do the data preview. Close this. Raw data. Yeah. So we have okay, there are a lot of ranks, 249. So what was the problem here? Why we are seeing so many ranks? Let us suppose take this Kunnar. Quick filter. What? Okay. Okay, we haven't given any threshold. Okay, we haven't passed any parameters here. Okay, let us give some input parameters. You can give it through some, we'll look into input parameters. Let us suppose I'm giving a threshold of value 5. Okay, just do this or activate this and do the data preview again. Now just close this and just look at the raw data. Still rank column is showing a, I don't know why it's okay. Maybe we haven't converted this into, okay, aggregated column, right? I think the problem is here itself. We haven't converted this. Why am I not able to convert? Convert to aggregated column customer. How can I convert aggregated column? Oh shit. Why is this? I don't know what's the problem here. You need to convert this. Okay, now again I'm doing it. Okay. Add all to outputs. Now select. Select, darling. Okay. We'll look at it later.